Junior Cycle History students, let's chat about technology and historical change. So we're going to look at a few different examples of technological developments and how they helped to produce or create or contribute to historical change. So the first development that we're going to look at is the printing press. Before the invention of the printing press, books were copied by hand. These were called manuscripts. This was an incredibly slow process, and there were very few books produced as a result. That changed with Gutenberg, who invented movable letters or movable type, and the printing press around 1450. The printing press spread the ideas and learning of ancient Greece and Rome. It also spread new ideas and learning during the Renaissance in the fields of science, medicine, history, and geography. The writings of people like Shakespeare were widely read, and Shakespeare contributed to the standardization of the English language. Explorers published books about their explorations, which created widespread interest. Martin Luther's 95 Theses were printed and quickly spread all over Germany and then to other countries. Improvements in ships and navigation during the Age of Exploration also contributed to historical change. In medieval times, ships had to sail close to the coast. They also found it difficult to sail against the wind, and they could not undertake long sea voyages. New ships called caravels and carracks were caravel built, so that means the boards were fitted edge to edge. Compasses could tell direction of the ships, the way sailors were going, the way ships were going. To help with latitude, the astrolabe, quadrant, and cross shaft were used to work out your kind of position north and south of the equator. These improvements meant that Spain and Portugal conquered large territories and created powerful empires. About 12.5 million slaves were shipped from Africa to different parts of the Americas between the 16th and the 19th centuries. So the final technological advancement that we're going to look at is nuclear technology. During World War II, the United States developed the atomic bomb as a result of the Manhattan Project. In August of 1945, the United States dropped the atomic bombs on Hiroshima on the 6th of August, and then the second one on Nagasaki on the 9th of August in Japan. The dropping of these bombs resulted in the deaths of up to 120,000 people and injuries to almost 100,000 more. In 1954, the USSR built the first nuclear power station to generate electricity. They were followed by others in the United States, Britain, and France. X-ray and CT scans were used in diagnosing illnesses by producing images of different parts of the body. Radiation therapy, or treatment, is used in cancer treatment as high doses of radiation are directed at cancer cells to shrink cancer tumours.